Hi! In front of me is TCL 40 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. Firstly, go into Tab menu. Now look for one-handed mode icon and click on it. As you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to change placement of it, you can do that by clicking on this arrow icon at the bottom right or left corner. If you wish to go back, click on the blank area. You can also go into Settings, scroll down and choose Advanced Features, then click on One-Handed Mode. Over here you can click on this feature next to access one-handed mode using gesture if you have gestures navigation, and also pick size of your shrink screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!